Hello and welcome to Foodie Zest. Today let's make a healthy dish, dal spinach curry. Let's check into the ingredients. We need 3 small sized onions, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup of grated coconut, 10 to 12 green chillies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, a bowl of spinach. I have washed and chopped them. Half cup Toor dal, some oil, salt and a cup of plain water. Now let's add the Toor dal and spinach into a pressure cooker. Four to 5 green chillies, 2 sliced onions, a cup of water, turmeric powder, chili powder and some salt. Let's mix it well and pressure cook it on high flame for 1 whistle or until the dal and spinach gets cooked well. Meanwhile, into a blender, let's add the grated coconut, cumin seeds and the green chilies and make a paste of it. Add some water. This should be the consistency of the ground paste. Now heat a pan, add oil, and add some fenugreek seeds once the oil is hot. Once it fries, let's add in the chopped onions and saute them well. Fry them until it becomes slightly brown, and once it's done, let's add the dal and spinach curry. Allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, let's add in the coconut paste. Now after adding the coconut paste, do not allow it to boil for too long. Check the salt and add if necessary. Now you can see small bubbles coming up. Now this is perfectly done. Let's switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. Our healthy dal spinach curry is ready to be served. This is the perfect consistency if you are having it with rice, because once it cools down it will become more thicker, and if you want to have it with rotis, then the amount of water added should be reduced. So please try this recipe and give a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest.